Fast wagons have always held a special place in enthusiasts' hearts, and today we're looking at one that might just be the most significant yet, the 2025 Audi S6 Avant e-tron. This isn't just another performance car, it's Audi's vision of how performance cars evolve in the electric age. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of electric vehicles. It'll carry your family and their luggage across continents, sprint to 60 in 3.9 seconds, and turn heads at every charging station. Speaking of charging, how does adding 190 miles of range in just 10 minutes sound? Let's start with the numbers that matter. Under that sleek bodywork, you'll find a dual-motor setup pumping out 496 horsepower in normal driving. But engage launch control, and that jumps to a whopping 543 horsepower. Audi's engineers have done something clever here. They've used different types of electric motors front and rear. Up front, there's an asynchronous motor that can essentially freewheel when not needed, while the rear gets a more powerful permanent magnet motor. The result? True quattro performance with a decidedly rear-biased feel. The 100 kilowatt-hour battery isn't just big, it's smart. The 800-volt architecture means you can charge at up to 270 kilowatts, making those long-distance journeys actually feasible. With up to 402 miles of range anxiety becomes more of a range curiosity. But numbers only tell half the story. The way this wagon moves is something else entirely. Plant your foot, and you're met with the kind of instant response that makes traditional turbocharged engines feel lazy. The adaptive air suspension keeps the body remarkably flat through corners, while somehow managing to deliver the kind of ride quality you'd expect from a luxury car. Inside, it's classic Audi with a heavy dose of future tech. The curved display that combines the digital gauges and infotainment screen looks like it belongs in a concept car, but it works intuitively in practice. The optional passenger display adds another layer of functionality. Your co-pilot can handle navigation duties or even stream videos without distracting you. And let's talk about that interior space. The electric platform means there's no transmission tunnel eating up floor space. The trunk offers 502 liters of space, expanding to 1422 liters with the seats folded. That's proper wagon territory, and it's all usable space. The exterior design deserves special mention. Those digital OLED taillights aren't just for show. They use 450 individual segments to create distinctive light signatures and can even warn other drivers if they're approaching too quickly. The illuminated four rings at the rear are another neat touch, ensuring everyone knows what just silently blasted past them on the Autobahn. One of our favorite features is the regenerative braking system. You can adjust it using the paddles behind the steering wheel, just like changing gears in a traditional S6. Set it to maximum, and you can nearly drive with one pedal. But when you do need the brake pedal, you'll find it feels surprisingly natural, something many electric cars still struggle with. At €101,000 or around $110,000 when it reaches US shores, the S6 Avant e-tron isn't cheap. But consider what you're getting. Supercar-level acceleration, luxury car comfort, SUV practicality, and the kind of tech that makes your smartphone look outdated. Not to mention the prestige of driving what might be the most sophisticated wagon ever created. Is it perfect? Not quite. The steering, while precise, could offer more feedback. And at over 5,000 pounds, you can feel the weight in tight corners. But these are minor gripes in what is otherwise an incredibly accomplished package. The 2025 Audi S6 Avant e-tron isn't just another electric car, it's proof that the future of performance cars is brighter than ever. It takes everything we love about fast wagons, the practicality, the understated looks, the surprising performance, and adds a heavy dose of cutting-edge technology and sustainable performance. For enthusiasts worried about the electric future of performance cars, the S6 Avant e-tron should come as a relief. It proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up the things that make cars exciting. If anything, it enhances them. This isn't just a great electric car, it's a great car, period. Let us know in the comments what you think about the S6 Avant e-tron. Is this the future of performance cars? And would you choose this over its combustion engine rivals? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.